Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. First, scroll from the top and open the Bluetooth settings. Then, once again scroll, hit the Bluetooth and disable it. Now enable, and enable the airplane mode, and then disable. Now wait for your Bluetooth to fully connect, then hit the gear next to your connected device and hit forget. Now pair new device and try once again if you see it right here. Then just hit pair. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.